replacing the recliner handle or complete assembly, including the cable, there'll be mounting screws, most commonly one down the bottom and one up the top. Just remove your mounting screws. And the handle should pop out like so. If you're just changing the handle, there'll always be a holding clip. Different types, but all basically work the same. Just squeeze together, remove the clip. Turn it over, you can see where the cable is just held into the handle and the barrel fits into its little mounting point. Bring that straight up and out, and you could always fit the new handle just back in the same way, down, across, put it in, and put the clip back in. Just one side first, and clip to the other side, get that little click down. That's replacing the handle, and then you'd simply just pop it back in and put your mounting screws back in to change the handle. Just changing the whole assembly, including the cable, same way you pull the handle off. Cable runs through the arm and onto the mechanism, which is underneath the recliner. I'll just tip it onto its back, and you can see where the recliner mechanism, and the cable comes down into a trigger point here.